welcome to the Stock Roll Podium 6 Assembly Guide. This step-by-step tutorial will help you correctly and safely install your system. Step 1. Preparing the base. Set up the carrier on a stable surface to ensure a secure installation. Insert the mandrel into the central hole of the base. Then, insert the mandrel into the central hole of the mast. Step 2. Installing the mast. Tilt the mast and fit the self-tapping screws into the designated slots using a 10mm hexagonal socket. Once all 6 screws are in place, tighten them securely. Step 3. Installing the superior truing stand. Place the superior truing stand onto the mast. Slightly tighten the screws using a 10mm hexagonal socket or the Stock Roll plastic key. Ensure the truing stand can slide easily along the mast. Repeat this process for the other 5 truing stands. Step 4. Attaching the cover. Fit the cover in position on the mast, ensuring the central skirt and indexing plugs are correctly seated. Your Stock Roll Podium 6 is now fully assembled and ready for use. For more information or support, reach out to us at 800-4LEXJET or visit us online at lexjet.com.